Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. So students, today in our today class we are going to discuss in our civics classes the chapter number 7, urban administration. Okay. So in this chapter we already discussed some points related to this chapter. What is urban administration? Okay. And we discuss about the works of municipal corporation, and now today we are going to discuss the ward councillor and administrative staff. Okay, about the ward councillor and administrative staff. Chapter 7, urban administration. Urban administration. In previous class we already learned the chapter number 6. In chapter number 6 we learn about rural administration. Okay, and in chapter number 7 we are going to discuss about urban administration, and today our topic is the ward councillor and administrative staff. The ward councillor and administrative staff. Cities are usually quite large, so the municipal corporation has to make a lot of decisions and implementation of that decision is work of is work of administrative staff. We all know cities are usually quite large. Cities कैसी होती हैं? Cities बड़ी होती हैं. So the municipal corporation and municipal work corporation work for cities. Okay. Municipal corporation has to make a lot of decision. Cities के welfare के लिए कौन decision लेता है? Municipal corporation. Okay. And municipal corporation has to make a lot of decision. And implementation of that decision is a work of administrative staff. And उन decisions को implement करने का work कौन करता है? Administrative staff. Now clear? Okay. So I hope this point is clear. And now we are going to then after we are going to discuss the ward councillor and administrative staff. Also the works of ward councillors. Okay. And students, this is a city, and city divided into different parts. एक city कई parts में divided होती है. And we can call them as wards. Okay. Wards. Okay. City divided into different wards. City कई wards में divide होती है for the implementation of the work of city welfare. Okay. And beta, our ward councillor is the president of wards. Okay, ward councillor कौन होता है? Ward councillor is the president of wards. Now we are going to discuss about ward councillors. We are going to discuss about ward councillor. Ward councillors कौन होते हैं? Okay, and also the works of ward councillor. Now you can see the board. The ward councillor are elected members. बेटा हर एक वार्ड का अपना एक वार्ड काउंसलर होगा. ओके, हर एक वार्ड में एक वार्ड काउंसलर होता है एंड वार्ड काउंसलर इज अ इलेक्टेड मेंबर. वार्ड काउंसलर कैसे आते हैं? इलेक्ट होकर के. ओके, एंड they are responsible for the welfare of the people of their wards. Their wards. Ward counselor. Now we are going to discuss about ward counselor. Ward counselor कौन होते हैं? The ward counselor are elected members and they are responsible for the welfare of people of their wards. Okay, now I hope you all clear what is ward counselor. Now you can take the screenshot. It will help you to learn. Okay beta, now I am going to remove this. And now we are going to discuss the works of ward counselor. The works of the ward counselor. Here is the first work of ward counselor. The complicated decisions that affects the entire city that affects the entire city are taken by group of counselors. Okay, first work is the complicated decisions that affects the entire city are taken by a group of councillors. And second point is the decision where a park or hospital should be built are usually made by the ward councillors. The decision where a park or hospital should be built are usually made by the ward of council. Okay? So किस एरिया में पार्क बनना है, कहाँ हॉस्पिटल बनना है, that decision taken by which person? Taken by ward councillor. And ward councillor we all know that is he is a elected person. Okay? Now beta you can take a screenshot the first point and also the second point. Okay. The third point, the work of ward councillor is ward councillor are the ward councillor are the chairperson of their ward committees. Ward councillor are the chairperson of their ward committees. Okay? Clear? So we in today class what we done, we learn about ward counselor and the administrative staff. Okay, so now today our class is over. We will continue the chapter number 7 urban administration in our next classes. So thank you class.